What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are back at Geauga Lake. Last time I was over here was February, about 4 months ago, and today I wanted to stop back and take a look at the construction. A lot has changed in a short period of time, and I want to take a close look and see what has changed and what is going on. Back again at my old stomping grounds of Geauga Lake. Let's go take a look at it and see for ourselves what is going on. So this over here is definitely a lot different than what it looked like back just a few months ago when I was over here. They had the training centers up and now they're all torn down. I don't know if you guys can get a good look at that, but that is what it's looking like right now. You can see all the big heavy machinery back there as well. Nobody's at work today, which is a great day to come here. So you can take a look at all the updates that they have been working on. And we're still not able to get too close to it because of this big gate right here. But hopefully, fingers crossed, we're gonna find a way to get a little bit closer than we were last time. I am happy to see that this is still standing, although I don't know how much longer, because it looks like a lot of stuff in the surrounding area has definitely been torn down. This is also super interesting down here. See, the gate is still here from when it was in February, but back when I was here just a few months ago, all of this was standing up. I don't know if you can see past all this fencing. You can see that this has all been dismantled as well. Down. Absolutely crazy. They've been doing a lot of construction here recently, and you can see it. You can see farther than you ever can because the bulldozers have really torn everything down. And even looks like they have an old vent here that they just discarded. I'm glad that this is all still standing, despite a lot of it completely torn down. This still stands here, which is great. You do have to watch out for these nails. I don't know if you guys can see this, but that's a deer right over there. He doesn't even care that I'm here. He's just staring at me. He doesn't even care that I'm here right now. Freaking wild. Yep, a lot of the buildings have been completely torn down, but this one here still remains. And I think that is just awesome. You can even see the old lamp posts here. This would have housed a lamp, big giant street light. And here are all the tools of the trade. They have so many different tools out here, all used to completely flatten everything that we hold dear. Just crazy to see all of this twisted metal, these pipes, everything. This used to all be part of Geauga Lake, and now it just sits in a heap here in the freaking parking lot. I think that this right here used to be where you would pay to park. Could also be a security outpost. I'm not quite sure what that is. Here's the interior. There's the electrical outlets in there. See the exposed wiring. Anybody know what this is? Leave me a comment down in my comment section. But take a look at this. Look at all this concrete here. All of this concrete in a huge freaking pile. A massive mountain. Where did all this concrete come from? I have no idea. They must be just completely removing every single piece of concrete inside the park. So you're not allowed to go in there, but we can take a peek. Let's see. Oh, look at that. See that old shed right there? That's really cool. I don't know what that is. Take a look at this. This is very out of the ordinary. I don't know what it could be. It looks like it might have been part of a ride. That's my best guess. I have no idea what that is. There are some more tools that the trade used to completely dismantle and destroy all of our childhood memories. And this right here, my friends, is the end goal. This is what they want to turn Geauga Lake into. A whole bunch of houses. I do like the fact that they have paid respect to the Big Dipper by calling this road Dipper Lane. And it is the Renaissance Park at Geauga Lake. Renaissance bringing new life to the area. I must admit that these houses do look rather charming, despite being all cookie cutter. So I'm glad I'm here on Sunday because nobody's working here on Sunday, and what I'm doing is kind of sus, but I do want to get a better look at the park. And so I'm actually in the construction area right now of Geauga Lake. It's not illegal. I'm not behind the fence, but I don't think I'm supposed to be here. Either way, I do want to take a look at it up close and personal. So let's go take a look and see what's going on. I've been doing a lot of work around here. This must have been at the main entrance. The brick with the plants inside. This is pretty crazy, man. Oh, look at this. You can see the pink flooring here. I remember the pink flooring at the main entrance here. That's pretty wild. I'm definitely not supposed to be back here, but let's at least get some good visuals while we can before we get in trouble and are asked to leave the park. But take a look at this. Freaking wild. It's an old tree. See the old metal with the blue. This is be a gate. Here's a road that they sprung up through the main entranceway of Geauga Lake. This is wild, man. Absolutely wild. I did hop this fence in order to get over here. I want to get up and close and personal to the lake if I can. But can I? Yeah, man, I gotta admit, this is pretty freaking crazy. I know I'm not supposed to be over here, but look at this. You can see all this metal that must have been from a ride or a stall. It looks like coaster track, to be honest. Now look down here. Wow. You can see the walls of what used to be right here. With the piping. This is wild, man. You see all the pillars back there? All the stanchions that used to house the coaster track. You see that? Absolutely wild. Now all that's left behind is a whole bunch of dirt. Look at this dry dirt here. How you walk on it and it just crumbles underneath your feet. This is freaking wild, man. Ironically enough, I accidentally stepped on this old balloon. Theme parks and balloons go together very well. And it's just kind of ironic because it's pretty much the only thing left from an old theme park. This is kind of interesting. I don't know if that is part of the construction or part of the park. They sure are doing a whole lot of work out here. A lot has changed in just 4 months. 15 years flew by. And soon, all of this is going to be just like those homes that I showed you earlier. Pretty crazy to think about. Well, my friends, thank you for joining me for yet another trip to Geauga Lake. I had a great time getting up close and personal with all of the construction and strange goings on around here. Please remember to like and subscribe for more near and far exploring action. And we'll see ya real soon. It's wild that they still have the old signs here. I'll show you South, Akron, Kenton, and Ohio Turnpike, and North, Cleveland, Solon, and Erie, Pennsylvania. Which way are you gonna go?